Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. In this episode we're gonna do the unboxing for Feit Wi-Fi Smart Dimmer. This product can be found in Costco and in some other stores in USA and Canada. The package that I have is 3 units in one package. So this dimmer is a switch and dimmer that works on Wi-Fi and supports Google Assistant, Alexa, and it has its own application on the mobile phone. So let's start doing the unboxing. The dimmer itself comes with almost everything. So we have the dimmer and the cover. That's a very nice cover that consists of 2 pieces. The dimmer contains 2 buttons for increasing the intensity of the light or decreasing. If you keep pushing, you're gonna reach to the maximum level, which is like switching on. It has 5 connection wires. You can unscrew these ones and insert your wire, or you can just push it inside the hole and that's it. So you have 2 options. So it has a ground, neutral, line, load, and this is the connection for 3-way switch. So it supports a 3-way switch. You can connect 2 of them by connecting this wire with the corresponding wire, and it's gonna work as 3-way switch. Or you can use a regular switch, not the smart one, with a smart and utilize this switch. The only problem is it needs a neutral wire. Sometimes some gang boxes doesn't have this white neutral line. Screws are there. There's the third one. A very nice shape. From my experience, the only problem with this product is the flickering. So it depends on your load, but usually when you put a lot of lights, it can handle them, but you're gonna realize that there's some flickering, and probably there is a solution to minimize this flickering by using a capacitor. Many documents and how to do the software installation. And by the way, you can install them. You can install the application and the devices, whether it's one device or multiple devices. You can add all of them and group them in certain groups. So probably you connect all of them in one group and you name the group, let's say group 1, and then you can add all of them to Google Assistant, and by using the Google Assistant you can switch everything by only one word, because they are all related to the same group. And also you can, when you add them to Google Assistant, it depends on the location, so you can switch them on or off, or change the percentage of the intensity by using the location. So let's say if you have a dining room or an office or whatever, Google Assistant is gonna do whatever you want in the location itself. So it's not necessarily that you do the grouping on the application. And here there are some labels and you can use on the wires. It's a very nice product, and probably with a good price, which can be used as a switch and as a dimmer that works on Wi-Fi. So thank you so much, and see you later.